wish to welcome you to the Weathering the Storm Disaster Preparedness Workshop. We take this time to thank both the City of Houston and Harris County Offices of Emergency Management for the disaster prep materials, and along with our staff and volunteers and presenters and exhibitors for their contribution to this workshop. We say thank you, and would you give them all a round of applause? We were inspired to host this workshop after attending a disaster readiness resilience clinic and expo, and we literally were flabbergasted. The people weren't there. So what it tells us is the people don't know, therefore the people cannot be prepared. We're in the midst of hurricane season, and I think it's time that we take charge of our posts and all temporal property in view.